Hey YouTube, it's Mrs. Kamori back again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be going over my Coach Nolita 19, which I have here. And I used this bag today as a crossbody when I did my grocery shopping this morning. And I like to have a crossbody when I do any kind of shopping mainly, or especially grocery shopping, so my hands are free to get the items, push the cart, so on and so forth. And I like the Coach Nolita. This one here is in the black pebble leather with the gold hardware in the chain. And I like it because it's spacious and it fits my massive phone, and I'll get to that in a minute. On the outside, I have this pocket back carrier that I got from Bath and Body Works. Inside I have the raspberry and tangerine scented antibacterial sanitizer. It smells really good. Now this chain can be detached from the other side and reattached to only one side, so it becomes a wristlet and you can carry it like that. But how I use it is it's more of a decorative chain attached to the handbag, because I attached a leather strap which I got from one of my other Coach bags, the Mini Lily carry-all. The leathers are a little bit different. This one is more, the strap is more cross-string leather and the bag is more pebble leather, but you can barely tell a difference, from afar. I mean, it's not a major difference, so it works perfectly together. So let's get right into the bag. Here's an overview of the items that I have inside. Let me start. It has actually one slip pocket here, a big slip pocket here on this side. On the other side, it has two slips where you can carry your cards, but I prefer to have my credit cards all together in a card holder, so this is what I have here. This is my Louis Vuitton reverse monogram card holder, and in this card holder I have my debit card, and behind there I have my driver's license. On the other side I have one credit card, and in the middle I have some cash, which is a $20 bill. So it works perfectly for my needs. The next thing I'm going to grab out is this item here, which is my Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder in the black empreinte leather. I think I like this one more than the canvas version because it is so soft in the hand, it's malleable, it feels great, and it doesn't tend to have the end. You see here, it lies flat, it doesn't curl up like the canvas one tends to do. And in here, I have my house keys, mailbox key, PO box key, my CVS rewards card, and my big car key fob. The next item I'm going to pull out is this item here, which is a Nivea soft hand lotion. And I always carry lotion with me because using hand sanitizer these days so often, your hands tend to get dried out, and so I have lotion to replenish the moisture. And the last thing I have in here, I have my cell phone case, but not the phone because I'm filming with my phone. And this is a rather big phone. This is the Samsung, this holds my Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra again, which I'm filming with. And so this fits very comfortably in the Nolita 19 with the items I just pulled out. So I like this as a grab and go. You can use it as a catch-all. It's very, I think I've had this for about 2 years, 2.5 years. I got this off eBay. I don't think they make too many of them anymore with the chain. They have the gold leather slap, which I prefer the gold chain, like this one here. So let me put the items back inside so you can see how that fits. Very easily get that in there. And the lotion next to my key fob, and then the card holder. You can see there's so much room still left in here. And I have my, to show you, I have my Louis Vuitton key pouch, and I have in here right now medical cards, Walgreens rewards cards in here at the moment. So it has things in here, and this can actually slide in here as well, as you can see right there. And this also close beautifully and still look great. So I love this little item, again, for a quick grab and go, to go shopping, grocery shopping at the mall, especially when you attach, you know, this leather chain strap or another strap that'll match. It's great carry all, and I'll attach a picture at the end of the video to show you what that looks like on my body. Okay, that's all for this one. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let's be YouTube friends, and I'll catch you in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.